In this video, I'll show you how to automatically dimension multiple sides in AutoCAD using the QDIM command. If you've been adding dimensions one at a time, this feature can save you a lot of time and make your drafting process much more efficient. Start by opening your drawing, then type QDIM in the command line and press enter. Next, select all the lines or sides you want to dimension. You can continue selecting multiple objects until you've included everything you need, then press enter to confirm your selection. Now move your cursor to preview the dimension placement and click where you want the dimensions to appear. AutoCAD will automatically generate the dimensions with proper spacing and alignment, giving your drawing a clean and professional look. This tool is especially useful for floor plans, mechanical parts, and detailed engineering drawings, where multiple dimensions are required. Before finishing your project, quickly review the generated dimensions to make sure everything is placed exactly where you want it. That's how easy it is to automatically dimension sides in AutoCAD using the QDIM command. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.